It's a common saying that people are best at what they do. And it's true. Directors do a commendable job behind the camera and we all do see the results. But there are some who dare to face the camera as actors and justify their roles. So here is our list of 10 directors who turned actors. Number 10, Farah Khan. First a choreographer, then a director and now an actress. There is literally nothing this woman cannot do. Farah Khan worked as a choreographer in several Bollywood movies and as a director of movies like Main Hoon Na, Om Shanti Om and Tismar Khan. She then took up acting in the movie Shireen Farhad Ki To Nikal Padi opposite Baman Irani. Her bindas attitude is something people really love about her and that made the movie really entertaining to watch.
I can't believe कि तुमने मुझे अभी तक नहीं बताया कि तुम्हारी माँ वो नरगिस पत्ता क्या है।
Number 9, Karan Johar. After making a directorial debut in the movie Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Karan Johar went on to direct movies like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, My Name Is Khan and many more. He has acted in cameos and small roles in several movies until he made his full-fledged acting debut as the villain in the 2015 Bombay Velvet and gained a lot of praise for it. Number 8, Vijay Anand. Vijay Anand was the youngest brother of the Bollywood actor Dev Anand. He made his directorial debut with the film 9-11 and went on to make other great movies like Johnny Mera Naam, Jewel Thief, Kala Bazaar and many more. And in the movie Haqiqat, he proved that he was a good actor as well. But the role that gave him recognition as an actor came in the movie Kora Kagaz alongside Jaya Bahaduri.
कि हमारे दिलों में उठते रहते हैं और एक दिन आता है कि हम बह जाते हैं उनकी लहर में और सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के चले आते हैं वापस अपने देश का कल्याण करने के लिए.
He then went on to work in many movies as a director and also as an actor and etched his image in our minds. Number 7, Sudhir Mishra. Sudhir Mishra started his career as an assistant director and a script writer for the movie Jaane Bhi Do Yaro and then released Ye Wo Manzil To Nahi, which was his first directorial venture, which was followed by other movies like Dharavi, Main Zinda Hu and his most acclaimed film Hazaron Khwahishein Aisi. He collected 2 national awards and an Indira Gandhi award for these films. But then he decided to try his hand in acting and succeeded, as he made his presence known in the movie Traffic Signal directed by Madhur Bhandarkar.
अबे सुन, तेरा छोकरा लोग दूसरे के एरिया में लफड़ा काहे को करता है? मेरे को तुम लोग आपस में मच नहीं मांगता.
Number 6, Anurag Kashyap. Anurag Kashyap is probably the most versatile man in the Bollywood industry right now. Starting his career way back in 1998 as a screenwriter for the movie Satya. Panch was his first directed movie, which is still unreleased, but then followed movies such as Black Friday, Devdi, Gangs of Wasseypur and many more, which were all well received by the critics as well as the audience. It was the movie Shagird that proved that if he wanted to be an actor, there is no doubt that he could be a good one, as he played the negative role of Bunty Bhaiya in the movie exceptionally well.
अरे घूरे कहाँ जा रहे हो? देखा देखी का खेल मत खेलो मेरे साथ. मारना है तो मार दो ना साले लौंडियां जो घूरे जा रहे हो.
Number 5, Guru Dutt. Guru Dutt struggled during his early years in the industry, playing small roles in movies as well as working as an assistant director. But soon found his feet and proved himself as a director in his first film Bazi, which came in the year 1951, followed by Jal the coming year. But as luck would have it, he casted himself as the lead in his next directorial venture Baz, as he couldn't find a suitable actor for the role. And then began his career as both a director and also as an actor, which consisted of movies such as Aar Paar and Kagaz Ke Phool. Unfortunately, Kagaz Ke Phool was his last directorial movie, as he continued to work only as an actor in the industry after it.
मुद्दत के बाद किसने मेरे डायरेक्शन की कदर की?
Number 4, Tinu Anand. Although Tinu Anand is mainly known as an actor in the Bollywood industry, he first came into the industry as a director of the movie Duniya Meri Jeb Mein, and he continued making movies such as Kalya and Shahenshah before turning into an actor in the film Nayakan directed by Mani Ratnam. Although Tinu Anand did keep directing movies, he is now mainly known for his acting, as he has worked in more than 100 films and is still going strong. Number 3, Tigamanshu Dhulia. Tigamanshu Dhulia is one of those people in Bollywood who gained recognition way too late despite being immensely talented. Although he worked as a casting director and a screenwriter in the 1990s, his first directorial debut came with the movie Hasil. He then carried on his directorial career with movies such as Charas, Sahib Biwi Aur Gangster and Pansing Tomar. But in between these movies, he played the negative role of Ramadev Singh in the Gangs of Wasseypur movies, which mainly gained him the recognition he deserves.
हिंदुस्तान में जब तक सलीमा है लोग चूतिया बनते रहेंगे.
Number 2, Mahesh Manjrekar. Mahesh Manjrekar started his directing career with the Marathi film Ai and moved his way to Bollywood with his second film Vastav, for which he got a lot of praise. He also won a national award for the movie Astitva. He proved that he's a great actor as well while playing the role of Bali in the movie Kaate. He has since proven his acting skills regularly in movies such as Wanted, Ready, Slumdog Millionaire and many more. Number 1. Farhan Akhtar. Farhan Akhtar is what you call a jack of all trades. After making his writing and directorial debut with the critically acclaimed movie Dil Chahta Hai, he continued his rise by directing movies like Laksh and Dawn, but then he surprised everyone with the ease in which he acted in the movie Rock On and also lent his voice to 5 songs in the movie. He has since been loved as an actor in movies such as Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Bhag Milka Bhag and many more. Do you agree with our list? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share this video and subscribe to Brainwash for more videos like these.